Imagine you're sitting at a traffic light behind a large construction truck. A few minutes later, you see the same truck heading down the road, but something looks different. It seems taller, longer, and almost like it has changed shape. As strange as it sounds, that's exactly what's happening. Many heavy-duty trucks are built with a hidden feature that allows them to transform, depending on the job they're doing. With the push of a button, extra wheels can appear, disappear, or lift completely off the pavement. But why would engineers design a truck that can change its own footprint while driving? The answer begins with a problem that has challenged road builders for more than a century. Weight. Moving heavy materials has always been one of humanity's biggest engineering challenges. Whether it's sand, gravel, concrete, or construction equipment, every pound has to be supported by something. The obvious solution would seem simple: build stronger roads. But stronger roads are incredibly expensive. Instead, engineers came up with another idea. What if the vehicle could spread its weight over a larger area whenever necessary? That's exactly what modern trucks do. When carrying a heavy load, additional wheels can be lowered to share the burden, rather than concentrating thousands of pounds onto a few tires. The force is distributed across more contact points. The result is less stress on the roadway and greater stability for the vehicle. However, once the cargo is delivered, the situation changes completely. Now the truck is much lighter. Those extra wheels are no longer helping, they're becoming a disadvantage. Every tire touching the road creates friction. Friction requires energy to overcome, and energy costs money. For a trucking company operating thousands of miles every year, even a small increase in fuel consumption can translate into enormous expenses. That's why those additional wheels are often lifted off the ground when they aren't needed. The truck instantly becomes more efficient. But fuel savings aren't the only reason. Anyone who has driven a long vehicle knows that turning can be difficult. The more wheels pressed against the pavement, the harder it becomes to maneuver through tight spaces. Parking lots, construction zones, and city streets can quickly become a challenge. By raising certain wheels, drivers make the truck easier to handle, reducing strain on the tires and improving overall maneuverability. In other words, the vehicle adapts itself to the situation. Heavy load, more wheels. Light load, fewer wheels. Wide open highway, maximum efficiency. Tight corner, better maneuverability. What appears to be a simple set of tires is actually a carefully engineered system designed to balance performance, cost, safety, and practicality. So the next time you see a truck rolling down the road with some of its wheels, remember, you're not looking at a broken vehicle. You're looking at a machine that can reconfigure itself on demand, a clever solution hiding in plain sight. And that's one more example of how some of the smartest engineering ideas are the ones most people never notice. If you enjoyed learning something new today, be sure to leave a like and subscribe. What everyday object should we uncover the history of next? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay curious.